Okay, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to take some nails out of some trim because we're reusing the trim to install around a door. This is the door we just recently installed right here, and we got to put this casing back on. A lot of people are going to try to hammer these nails out and hammer them back through, and it messes up your paint and everything else. So we're going to show you how to take them out of the back, and then we're just going to renail. Alright. A lot of people are going to cut them off, but you can never really get it cut all the way down to the bottom. So if you use a pair of channel locks, it's really easy. And now this piece of trim is ready to install. So that's it for this video. That's how you take nails out of a piece of trim that you're going to reuse. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.